Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I grill this turkey with my new hair fryer. If today is your first time coming across this video, you're welcome. With no further ado, let's grill. So this is the turkey. You can use chicken as well. I went ahead to season all this turkey off the camera. I use simple and normal ingredient that we have in our kitchen, like paprika pepper, onions powder, black pepper, white pepper, etc. So after that, just go ahead to place this into my air fryer. But before doing that, I have to place my parchment paper inside the air fryer so that I can be able to wash this off easily. You understand? So after that, I'll just go ahead to pop it in and then on the air fryer, and then I'll set it. So now it has started grilling. The air fryer I was using before have this round shape mouth, and it was 3 liter, but this one is a 4 corner shape, and this is 9 liters. So I have to go for this, but I wanted black, but unfortunately there was no black in this product, so I just went for white. So this is what we have after 25 minutes. Now I'll just go ahead to flip the other side and then grill again for, let's say, another 20 minutes in 180-degree or 200 as your spirit lead you. So after turning it, flipping it, we'll go ahead to pop it into the air fryer again, and then continue to air fry. If you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. This recipe is so simple and so easy for you to do. You can also use your oven. So after grilling, this is what we have. You can use this to cook soup, stew. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.